Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason with Vac MD. I don't know if you've ever had this issue, but sometimes when your Oreck, your lightweight Oreck, falls over onto your hard surface and then you go to use it again, it won't turn on. And you don't know why. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way of how to check, how to fix it, and hopefully you'll be back in business very quickly. All right, guys, here we go. So first we're going to start by removing the screws in the handle of your Oreck. Now, this can work for an Oreck XL, XL2. You can even check this on your XL21, although I don't find this happens as often on the XL21s. If you have a magnesium, it's not going to happen on your magnesium because it's designed much differently. So once you get all the screws out, look at what we found. What happens over time when this gets dropped, this connector comes disconnected. Sometimes both of them become disconnected from the switch. It's so easy. Normally they're sitting right where they need to be plugged back into, and that's all you have to do. So sometimes things will move a little bit when you remove the handle, and that's why we have it on a box. We want to make sure that nothing moves around, but just make sure, let's show you, that your switch is sitting in here. There are little spots for all of your cords to kind of fit in. You can see that one's not fitting into its slot and it kind of got crimped, but there are slots that you can push it down into. There's a slot here. Bart's pushing that one down into the slot there. With the commercial units, it's a little more difficult because they have 3 wires going through them instead of just the 2, so there's a lot more to fit. But you can see how that fit nicely in the slot, and it wasn't there before, and we're going to do that with that one over there too, because that one for some reason isn't in the slot either. And the rest should just, you know, fit nicely. That's in a slot. This is in a slot right here. That's called the strain relief that prevents that cord from getting pulled out. Don't forget, if that fell out, your cord dump, to put your cord dump back in, because that's the worst when you get everything screwed back in and it just, you have to unscrew it and put that cord dump back in. If you have everything nicely set in there, the handle should go on pretty easily. And don't worry if the handle does, well, that was perfect, but if the handle doesn't go in super perfectly, sometimes you can take the screws and the screws will kind of snap that handle together, and then just screw it back together. Plug it back in and you should be good to go. So as you can see, it's a very simple fix if your Oreck is not turning on because it just had fallen over. It happens all the time. This video is for Juanita in California. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos and also like us, put a comment at the bottom, and find us on social media, and make it a great day, guys. Thanks.